Is the back tab feature not working on your iPhone? Hi there, in this video I will show you how to fix this back tab feature not working issue in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Solution 1. First of all, if you're using a phone case, please remove it. Then, make sure your iPhone is compatible with back tab and that is turned on. For this, go to Settings. Scroll down a bit and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Touch. Now scroll down to End and look for the back tap option. If you can't find the back tap option here, then your iPhone doesn't support it. But if it's there, tap on it and add your desired action for double and triple tap. After that, you can check if it's working or not. Solution 2. If it doesn't fix your issue, restart your device. Often only giving a simple restart can solve minor software glitches. So try to restart your iPhone and see what happens. Solution 3. Still facing the issue? Try updating your phone. To do this, just open Settings, then tap on General, then tap on Software Update. If there are any updates available, download and install it. Also, keep automatic updates on so that you can be on the latest and greatest version of iOS with all the bug fixes. And guys, that's how you can fix the back tap not working issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. But if you still have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.